I was a professor at the University of Michigan. There was a graduate student, a brand new graduate student at UC Santa Cruz, Cosmin, Ilie. He wanted to work with me, and I'm known for work on dark matter. And we were thinking, okay, what role could dark matter play in different periods in the early universe? And what we came up with is the realization that it can play a very important role in the first stars that form. The thing that bugs me is when people hear the name dark stars, they assume it's a star made of dark matter. It is not. It's made of ordinary matter, powered by dark matter. Dark stars are new stars that we proposed for the very earliest stars in the universe. They are made almost entirely of hydrogen and helium from the Big Bang, so ordinary material. But the smattering of dark matter that's in there is enough to power the star, and it is very different looking from any of the normal fusion-powered stars that we're used to. The James Webb Space Telescope, the brainchild behind this is John Mather, the Nobel laureate, and John Gardner, another scientist, and they said to us, please tell us what to look for, because these are objects we can see. The reason you need the James Webb Space Telescope is it is able to probe very far back in time, much farther back than any other telescope. And, well, lo and behold, again with Cosmin Ilie, and he involved an undergraduate student, Jillian, Paulin, we decided, okay, James Webb has data, let's look at that and see, is there a dark star in there? They had 700 potentially early universe objects. They called them galaxy candidates. But unless you have measurements of these spectra, how much light there is at different frequency, some of these could be interlopers from later times and you're just misinterpreting what they are. At the time, they had less than 10 objects with spectra and publicly available data on 5. There's a survey called JADES. Of the 4 objects, of the early universe objects in the JADES survey, we looked at those. 3 of them are good matches to dark stars. But it's pretty cool that of the 4 that we looked at, that 3 of them are good matches. What we have so far with dark stars are candidates in the James Webb Space Telescope data. But for confirmation, we'll need more data. As long as we get the data, we can go in there and look for the dark stars.